Grabe guys, hindi ako makapaniwala. Ayan oh, this is so nice. Tapos may mirror pa siya. Ayan, may mirror siya pag nasa likod ka.
Guys, I so love it. I swear, I so love this product na. Thank you, Shopee. Maraming salamat, Shopee.
Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to unbox! Yes, mag-unbox tayo ngayong araw nito. Kasi may dumating siya last Monday pa ata. So, pinahinga ko muna siya. And, syempre, sinanitize ko siya, nasanitize na to, and pinahinga ko muna siya ng ilang araw kasi nga I was really busy with my schedule and some kind of engagements, and sa mga pagpunta sa mga premieres, syempre, Mayo, BYC premiere, sa Top Nation, Helping Hands Kapayag, and YouTubers Class by Teacher Ems Velarde. Thank you so much. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat sa mga pag-support dyan. And now, we will go to the unboxing. Actually, guys, I only bought 3 products in this one. Kaya ang liit niya. So, yung binili ko, kasi nakaluwag-luwag tayo sa buhay, bumili ako ng para siyang tripod na pwede siya pang selfie stick or ano na mayroon na siyang flashlight na naka-built in sa stand niya. So, hindi na ako mahihirapang mag-vlog kahit na nasa labas ako. Kasi nga, ang laki ng ring light, 'di ba? Yung ring light dadalhin mo sa labas, ang laki na nakakahiya mga beshi waps. Tapos, yung flashlight ng phone, hindi siya masyadong malakas yung light niya. So, ayun guys, naisipan kong bumili ng selfie, ano ba to? Ang tawag nito? Wait lang ha. Tripod Bluetooth selfie stick with fill light rear view mirror, suitable for travel, photography, self-portrait portable. Ayun guys, ang taas ng description. Basta isa siyang tripod Bluetooth selfie stick with fill light rear view mirror. So ayun na nga guys, as what I have said, gusto ko siya kasi nga nadadala siya. Tapos may ano na siya, may light na siya, fill light rear view. So yan, box ko na siya guys. Galing pala to sa Shopee. Salamat Shopee. So ayan na, I'm so excited. Tadaan! So, ito yung laman ng plastic pouch na na-receive ko. And unahin ko tong mga pouch na ito. Ito guys ay mga charger. Yes, mga charger. Kasi nga, ako yung taong mahilig sa reserba. Hindi sa lalaki, pero sa mga gamit. Mahilig akong mag-reserve ng mga things, like yung, especially yung charger at yung headset. I really love to have another set of charger para hindi naman pag nasira siya, may papalit agad. Kasi, di ba, mahirap pag walang charger yung cellphone. So, ayun guys, bumili ako for my Android and my Type-C na phone. So, this is K10-X Selfie Stick Integrated Tripod. So, stainless steel siya guys. May battery din pala to. Press control with light. 123 degree rotating, 27.6 inch, durable, and yun na nga. Uses remote control to take photos instead of clicking on your phone camera app. K10S is compatible with Android and iOS smartphones. For Android phones only, set your volume key function as capture in the camera. App settings for the selfie stick to work. So, kailangan pala natin i-set yung sa volume down. Volume down yata to. Yes. So, compact and lightweight sizes make it easy to carry. Secure, highly secure, lightweight stainless steel pole. And extendable up to 6 stages with fully adjustable extension. Camera angle adjust up to 245 degree for versatility. Adjustable clamp extend from 2.9 inches to 4 inches. Designed to make better selfies with a touch of a button. Diba? Diba? So, ayan. Unbox na natin. Uy, nasira pa yung karton guys. Uy, excited ako, Askin. Tchanan! So yan guys, ito siya guys, ito. Ito may mirror, parang mirror siya dito, ayan. Mirror, nakita niyo yung ring light? Ah, okay. Ayan. So ayan na yung light niya guys. Yung parang flashlight niya. Tapos, dito may ilalagay yung phone, ayan. Dito may ilalagay yung phone. Guys, kung may narinig kayong aso at saka baby ko po yan. Tsaka yung aso namin minsan makulit. Tapos may kasama na siyang charger. So, kailangan pala siya i-charge. So, ayan na nga guys. I-try natin. Rotate. Ayan, naka-rotate na siya. Ayan. Okay. Nice! So, nasa na yun? Ah, ito pala yung remote. Matatanggal. Okay. So, ayan na guys. It's extending. Akala ko ba tataas pa? Ito lang ba? Ano ba ito pataas? Wait. 6 stages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lang naman. Wait. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stages lang guys. Ayan o. Nakikita niya ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. At saka ito 5. Pang 6 siguro to guys. So, ganyan siya kataas guys. Ganyan kataas. Ganyan lang siya kataas. Hindi siya masyadong mataas. But it's okay. Tapos, ito yung stand niya. Ganyan siya. Ayan. So, ganyan yung stand niya, guys. Gaganan mo lang siya. Ipapakita ko later, guys, kung paano to tumayo. Para naman, may reference kayo. And, so, ganyan siya kaliit pag hindi siya nag-extend. And, ouch. Sorry. So, ito yung Bluetooth. Ay, ang liit! Ito yung remote control niya, guys. Ayan. So, ito lang yung pang button. Gumagana kaya to guys? Hindi ko talaga alam. Paano kaya? May parang button. Kita niyo ba yung circle? Button siya na pwede i-push. Ah, okay. So, ayan guys, pag ilalagay yung camera dito. So, sample. Sample na natin sa cellphone ng mama ko guys. Wait lang ha. So, ganyan. Ganyan yung cellphone. Tapos, yung Bluetooth lang, paano i-connect? So, ayan na guys. Nakita ko yung sarili ko. Hi! Hi guys! So, ganyan yung magiging mukha niya guys. Ayan. Tapos, ano yung gagawin dito? Paano Wala kasi siyang connection. So, wait ha. Babasahin ko ulit yung how to use. Long press the remote button to power on. LED will blink. Ah, okay. Ayan na. Kita nyo ba yan guys? Yung may blue. Ayan. Naka-on na siya. Search and pair with BT name Selfiecom on your cell phone. LED indicator will stop flashing after successfully connected. Use the remote control to capture pictures LED flash once at a time. So, ayan guys, hanapin ko lang yung Bluetooth na Beat Selfie something. So, ayan na siya guys. Selfiecom. Ito, Selfiecom. Ayan. Pairing na. Wala na siya, hindi na siya nagbi-blink as what the instruction said. Hindi na nagbi-blink if na-pair na yung Bluetooth na remote to the phone. So, I will try to have a selfie. So, ayan, para makita nyo guys. Ayan na. So, ipupush natin yung button. Ayan! Gumana siya guys! Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Ang laki ng pisngi ko. So, ayan guys, gumana yung selfie button natin. I'm so happy. I'm so happy kasi gumagana siya. The next is the remote control will automatically shut down in 5 minutes if not paired. The remote control will automatically sleep in 10 minutes without any operation. And auto shutdown after another 10 minutes if not awakened. Diba? Ang ganda niya guys kasi automatic siya. So, long press the remote button to power off. LED indicator flashes 3 times then shut down. So, yun na. Press and hold the switch for 3 seconds to turn on the fill-in light or off. Short press the short button to switch by... Ha? Nasyak ako guys, may brightness level! O diba, bongga to! 3 seconds to turn on. 1, 2... Ayan! Guys, I'm so happy. So let's try to take a picture again with the light. So ayun yung light niya guys. Wow! Grabe siya guys! Eto siya guys! Ayan! Napaka-bright niya. Ayan, I so love it guys. Ang ganda. I swear. I swear, I so love this product na. So let's try the switching. I-off ko muna yung camera. So let's try switching the modes. Short press lang daw kasi. Ayan. Ito mas grabe to. Ito hindi. Dalawang mode lang siya. So yung brightness niya guys is dalawa lang, yung malakas tsaka yung medyo pantay lang na flash na parang sa cellphone. Ayan. Nakikita niyo naman yung pag niya, 'di ba? Pag change ng mode niyo. Guys, I so love it. Oh my god, this is a Shopee worthy na bili. Oh, hi guys, ito yung coverage, walang ilaw, as in total blackout sa room ng sister ko. Ayan oh, walang ring light. So, pure lang talaga, ito lang talaga yung gamit namin, yung flash na nasa selfie stick. And I am really satisfied. Shutdown muna natin guys kasi ay grabe guys, hindi ako makapaniwala. Ayan oh, this is so nice. Tapos may mirror pa siya. Ayan, may mirror siya pag nasa likod ka, like yung ganun, back, ganun. Guys, I so love it. I swear, I so love this product na. Thank you Shopee. Maraming salamat Shopee. Thank you so much sa seller nito. I will link the in the description box the name and the seller's link para naman sa mga gustong bumili nito. I forgot the price. I don't know how much is it. Pero ipo-flash ko na lang sa screen guys kung magkano ito kasi nakalimutan kong i-check before I vlog. So guys, this is a worth Shopee buy talaga guys. I highly recommend this product, especially to those vloggers na gustong mag-travel and kasi hassle magdala ng ring light, 'di ba? Ito guys, sulit. May ring light na, mini ring light na rotate siya. And hindi siya masyadong mataas but it's okay. Okay na to guys. Para sa akin okay na to. Tapos Bluetooth pa siya guys. Oh my god, this is a worth buy. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na nabili ko sa Shopee. I really swear. I so love it. I so like it. So, guys, sa mga gustong bumili guys, nasa description box lang. Ililink ko siya down below. And you should check it. Okay? So, I think that's it for today's video. I really do hope you like this video and comment down below your thoughts. And kung gusto nyong bumili, kung may recommend ba kayong ibang vlogging equipment sa akin kasi I am just starting to buy those things na makaka-improve sa videos ko. So guys, thank you so much again for watching. Mega love shout out.
Team Neo also, thank you so much. Founders, admins, and members. At hashtag Attack Nation, BYC Premier, Helping Hands Kapayag, and YouTubers Class by Teach M. Thank you so much for the undying love and support. I am so overwhelmed guys sa mga pinagdadaanan ko ngayon. Nandyan kayo sa likod ko at sumusuporta sa akin. Again, thank you so much. And this is your girl, March Diary, saying, life is too short to be wasted. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation.